Welcome to Concrete Minimalism, a modern home in harmony with nature. Today, we're exploring the beauty and functionality of a concrete house, a design choice that's both strikingly modern and surprisingly sustainable. Concrete offers incredible strength, durability, and thermal mass, keeping your home comfortable year-round. But it's not just about practicality. Concrete's sleek lines and versatility allow for stunning architectural designs, creating a space that's both stylish and eco-conscious. Let's start our tour outside, admiring the sleek lines and the way this home seamlessly blends with its surroundings. Step inside. This entryway isn't just a hallway, it's a prelude to the minimalist masterpiece you're about to experience. Notice the clever use of space and light. We're starting on the upper level. Behold the living room. This isn't your grandma's living room, folks. It's a study in minimalist elegance. Comfort meets modern design seamlessly. Notice the connection to nature through the large windows. Let's head to the kitchen. This isn't just a place to cook, it's a culinary statement. Prepare to be impressed by the seamless blend of functionality and modern design. And those countertops, oh my! Let's descend to the lower level. This split-level design is all about maximizing space and creating distinct zones within the home. This family room is a perfect example. And finally, we end our tour with a look back at the exterior. This home is a true testament to modern design and the beauty of concrete architecture. Isn't it stunning? Moving on to the guest bedroom, where comfort and style meet. This space is designed to ensure your guests feel as relaxed as possible. Note the thoughtful design choices that make this room both inviting and peaceful. Next, the guest bathroom. Just as stylish as the master, but with its own unique charm. Every detail is carefully considered to provide a comfortable and relaxing experience for your guests. Now, let's explore the home office. This space is designed to inspire productivity and creativity. A sanctuary for work and focus, but with a touch of modern style. Even laundry day can be stylish. This laundry room is designed for both efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Who knew doing laundry could be so chic? Let's head outside to the patio. The perfect space for outdoor entertaining or simply enjoying the serenity of your surroundings. This space seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. And finally, a last look at the exterior, showcasing the home's stunning architecture and its seamless integration with nature. This is more than just a house, it's a lifestyle.